Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the email field optional in WooCommerce checkout in WordPress. This is particularly useful if you want to streamline your checkout process and reduce barriers for customers who may prefer not to provide their email address immediately. First things first, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account associated with your WooCommerce store so you can access the right settings and plugins. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options. From these expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll be able to browse and install new plugins to enhance your WooCommerce functionality. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in code snippets. This plugin will allow you to add custom code to your WordPress site without editing your theme files directly. From the search results, look for the plugin called Code Snippets and click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you use it more effectively in the future. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient and let the process finish. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, look at the left navigation menu again, and you'll notice a new option called Snippets has appeared. This is the plugin we just installed, and it's where we'll add our custom code. To make the email field optional during checkout, we need to add a specific code snippet to your WordPress site. Click on the Add New button located at the top left part of your screen. This will open up a code editor where you can input your custom code. At this point, I'll flash the code you need on the screen. Make sure to copy this code accurately and feel free to pause the video to ensure there are no mistakes when copying it. Once you've copied the code correctly, paste it into the code editor. Now look at the right side of your screen where you'll see options to save your snippet. Click on Save and Activate. This action will implement the code snippet and make your email field during checkout an optional field instead of a required one. And there you have it. You've successfully made the email field optional in your WooCommerce checkout process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.